Hi, I'm Kirby Allison, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to properly refill a butane lighter. Now, whenever it comes to refilling your butane lighter, you may think, well, how could anyone possibly not do this correctly? And the truth probably is anyone can fill up a butane lighter without instructions. But that said, there are a few tips and tricks I'm going to review in this video. In this video, I've got one of my favorite new lighters. This is an SD Dupont Slim 7 lighter. This is a torch, right? You can see that right here. What I love about this lighter is just how small it is. It's not bulky, it's not heavy. It can fit in the pockets of your trousers without bulging or being uncomfortable. And so this has kind of been or become my go-to lighter for whenever I'm going out. But that said, it doesn't have the largest tank of gas, but you know, so long as you're not sharing this with any friends, it should last an evening. Now, whenever it comes to refilling this, there's a few tricks that I wanted to just show you. You should first fully empty the tank, right? So I've got one of our cutting knives right here, and you simply just place that in there, right? You could use a pin or anything else, and just fully depress the valve to allow all of the butane to escape. You want the internal tank of the butane lighter to be completely empty whenever you go to refill it. And now, one of the other tricks that you can do is to then actually go place this inside of the freezer or refrigerator for 20 to 30 minutes. And what that is going to do is to chill the entire lighter, is allow any of the remaining air inside that fuel chamber to condense, which will allow you to get even more fuel inside the lighter. So those are the two kind of big tricks. And then, you know, simply take your butane refill. We actually have SD Dupont fuel that is specific to all of the lighters that we sell on the website. But you can also use a standard butane tank, especially with a lighter like this that isn't too precious. It's not like one of the Legrand Cleans, in which case you probably would want to use the specific SD Dupont fuel designed for that lighter. But holding this upside down and this upside down, you're simply going to depress that firmly and allow this to fill. I like to shake it a few times and then do it one more time. Now, you don't want to overfill the internal tank because that can cause the lighter to spit or sputter. But there you go. So look at this. Really interesting flame there. So there we go. Simple little video on how to properly light a butane lighter. Of course, I'm gonna use this to enjoy a proper cigar. I've got my El Casco cigar cutter. I've got my blue flame. And there we go. I'm Kirby Allison, and I love to help the well-dressed acquire and care for the wardrobes while exploring the world of quality, craftsmanship, and tradition.